In this video, we'll see how to apply a checkout fee only when the payment method is direct bank transfer and the user role is customer. The code snippet will add a fixed amount of 10 as a fee and a 5% fee. You can add this code to your themes functions.php file or use the code snippets plugin. Let's test it. Right now, I'm logged in as an admin. I'll choose direct bank transfer as the payment method, but notice no fee is applied. It's the same for any chosen payment method since I have logged in as admin. Now I'll log in as a customer. Add a product and proceed to the checkout page. I'll select direct bank transfer payment method. You can see the fee is applied. Both the fixed fee and percentage fee show up because the user role and payment method match the condition. Let's test further by switching the payment method. No fee is applied now. That's how you can apply checkout fees based on user roles and payment gateways in WooCommerce.